Your very hyped hype man for MRP now. Manufacturing orders or AMOs or MOEs are internal documents that authorize production at a company that produces goods, usually in-house or by the use of subcontractors. Now, EMOs act as the authority to produce goods once the product demand has been determined. And they often include instructions about what to make when those goods are needed, and how many components are required for instructions. MOs keep track of bill execution for each product order. Some manufacturing teams stay on track towards their output goals. Again, Steve, these are for you now. Today we'll cover the basics of setting up manufacturing orders inside of Odoo Now once a bill. Materials, or BOM as my acronym lovers have learned to love, is set up for a product you'd like to manufacture. In-house, you're ready to start planning and building products with those BOMs. Now we'll also explore work orders, or WOs or WOOs if you mispronounce it, which are authorizations that describe specific manufacturing tasks for shop floor workers as part of the overall mob. Alright, I'm getting excited again as usual, so let's get to it. Enough chit. Alright, our doers, so first let's look at the product we want to manufacture. So we're going to go to Products, Bill of Materials, and we're going to select Kitchen Cart. You should be very familiar with this. If you are not, please God, familiarize with it, because I set this up ahead of time, which was covered inside of the BOM Basics video that's going to be linked below. And basically, since all of our components for this kitchen cart are already listed, and I assign each component to a specific operation as well, we can move ahead with this. Now, if we click into the operations tab, it looks like this product requires 2 operations to be completed. And what are they? 1, assemble the legs and the top, because you need those in order to turn this into a cart, and as well as assemble the casters because it needs. Basically, once that this is all set up, we can move forward. And now that the BOM is all set, we're ready to create a manufacturing order, or MO for my acronym lovers, which we can actually do by going over here to the operations menu. Manufacturing orders. Now, in our case, I'm going to click new, and we got to type in our product. We have a kitchen cart now. You'll notice once that I did that, something really cool actually happened. The components auto-populate into the template nicely, and that's since we set up our BOM ahead of time. It looks beautiful, though, doers. I can actually edit exactly when I would like this AMO to be performed, by the way, by changing the scheduled date and time over here. Now, if my product has more than 1 bill of materials, I can choose which one to use. And as you notice, I can also designate how many kitchen carts I'd like to produce by changing the quantity, for example. Let's change this over here to alright. Everything now looks beautiful. Alright, now, after I confirm this, the forecasted component quantities will